All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press play on Yuri.
Resume.
They just point the finger, they don't care. They don't think I know you think. Yeah, you think. Where did I go wrong? What did I do? Where did I conflict with you? Yeah, with you. You can't tell me that you care when you're never ever there. I don't ask a lot from you, but you've got better things to do. You got better things to do. I thought I knew you, I don't know. Do you just want me to go? 'Cause I'll go. Actions over words, you are nothing. You seem so far away. Where are you today? You can't tell me that you care when you're never ever there. I don't ask a lot from you, but you've got better things to do. You've got better things to do. You can't tell me that you care when you're never ever there. Why don't ask a lot from you? You've got better things to do. You got better things to do. Don't just put me in a box and walk away. Don't just put me in a box for rainy day. Don't just put me in a box and walk away. Don't just put me in a box for rainy day. For rainy day.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check back every Monday for new videos, and head on over to MxPx.com for all the details on our live shows on the internet. See you next week.